Evie, you need some money, yes?
You're gonna give me 400, right?
Oh, hell no. 300.
Butterflies in the sky. No, you can give me 400 and I'll give it to you.
Twice as fine.
High. Take a look. It's in a book. Reading railroad. I gotta pay rent all the way back around the map. Can't do anything.
You know what? That's what you can get.
Take a look.
I need that $1 to buy like
Reading Rainbow.
Jake and Wink.
Reading Rainbow.
What the fuck are you singing?
You don't remember Reading Rainbow?
No, because I had a real childhood.
Opening credits to it. Oh my goodness. There you go. I haven't. Angel, don't sell it to him now. I have not. Or sell it to him for a buttload.
Oh, you don't want the red house? Okay, fine. It's whatever. It's whatever. No.
Why? Wait, what happened?
It's not gonna bug me.
No, because
that's my only house.
I'm not gonna give it. Yeah, he's already got mine.
Unless he goes bankrupt. And let's be honest, he's going bankrupt pretty soon. So good.
What? Send me the link. Ganja put it. Wait. Let me just try.
I mean, I will still get 100 out of this. It's all good.
Here you go. I'll give you some money, Chaos.
Yeah. It's not like you have a choice.
You know, some of your money back.
Yeah, some of it. Oh God. Whoa.
I can't go anywhere. Suck my dick. Hey, don't just put that on the internet too.
Angel is the new Gleevy. What do you mean?
Oh my gosh, no! How dare you?
Gleevy plays YouTube videos. Gleevy plays YouTube videos on while we stream and stuff all the time. You took his role.
I'm sorry, I'm interacting with my chat right now.
Yeah, Gandalf, something that you don't know.
I mean, Ganja was talking to. What do you mean, Chaos? You haven't said shit to your chat.
I should have read that first.
I've been talking this whole time. What do you mean?
Leroy. So I should have read that first.